gone underwater and I never know how I up the water there from my head. Me can't tell myself relax and float.
So beautiful, she is strong. She is strong. Oh yeah, she is powerful, sophisticated and confident. So strong, and the world stands still when she passes by. She is everybody's attention, and I know that she knows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So based on the title, guys, you realize that today I am doing another story time. So guys, it's story time. So this week I was talking with my best friend about a summer I spent over there, and I had gone to her house to spend for the weekend, and I remembered oh, I almost drowned. But before I get into that, guys, if you are new here and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, now is a good time for you to go ahead and hit that red button down there that says subscribe. If it's already gray, then you are already a subscriber. If it's red, click the button and join the Naturally Told family, guys. I make we get into the story time. Sunfly out here. Yes, and I realize I'm trying a little different scenery. I kind of like it. This is my second video. I don't know which one of the videos I'll be posting first, so whichever one I want to see first. May I try a thing, and I think I like it here. Do you? So let's get into the story. So spending the weekend with my best friend Audrey and my other friend Jody for the weekend. I said that already, right? So we went to a water park in Long Island. I remember what name right now, some slip or something. But this is not an advertisement, so I don't really need to mention it. So we went to this water park in Long Island, New York. And me can't swim. Disclaimer, me cannot. But then this is not, me not even have to say disclaimer, because the fact that the title name, I almost drowned, shows that me can't swim, right? So we go to the water park and thing, and from me get there, I make up my mind that I am only going on the slides that have the little tubes that I can sit in and hold on and be safe. So we're doing all these slides, all of us together. It was me, Audrey, and Jody, Dre, and Audrey's little brother, RJ. So that's our 6 away. It was 6 of us. Audrey, yeah, I think it was 6 of us. So now we're doing all the rides and something. All of them are mostly tube, and you know, the tube land in the water, it'll keep you afloat and everything, and everybody nice. So girl, I enjoy herself, you know. Nice cool out for the summer. Down the slides and thing. Then they took me on this ride. This ride named the Flush. No. For the Flush, it was, I think, 3 of us to a tube, and on that tube it was me, Audrey, and RJ, and we're on the slide, and may I tell you, say that first of all, the slide high till it can't hide no more. The slide was completely dark. Like I go down in a one tube, and the tube black, so in reality no form of light. Then you'd get to a part which I think would represent like a toilet. So in that now, the tube just go so. And me tell you, no say me scream. And that is probably the first in my life me use so much Jamaican expletives in my life. till I remember when we finished that I remember when we finished that ride, RJ said that any other ride after that he's going on the ride with me, because I entertain him too much. Nice me making out of something there. So me say, you know, I do the flush, come down in the flush, because we were in a tube. Come down in the flush, land. Other than the part in there where I feel like my life there in, the ride did nice. So I say, alright. Come out of the tube, land in the water, because I'm going by that I not do no more ride. But then I say, you know, but at the end of the day, the ride did nice. When I think of this, so I nearly drowned though. But no, I can't just get right now the drowning story same time. So I have to give you a little backstory and something before I get to the drowning. So I come out of the flush. So now they decided that we're moving on to slides that are individual slides. Now, remember me say I can't swim? Remember how I telling them to behave in the dark slide, the flush, when I could not see and had no idea where I was going? 2 warning signs that can't swim, almost not survive in the dark tunnel for the flush slide, and 3, all the other rides I did had tubes. 3 warnings right there. So we'll go on this slide. Stand up in the line all long. I reach up there now, I realize that it is indeed an individual slide. But to make it worse, when I went up to the top, the people I'm not giving no tube. So remember me now, warning sign number 3 was that all the other slides I did had tubes. And this slide was also a dark tunnel. So now I say, alright, you know, out of the 5 of us that were going on this ride now, I'm the oldest one, you know, and I can't afford for Audrian's younger siblings to be doing the ride and me chicken out. So I take brave heart and say, alright, let me go do this slide. Let me go do this slide. Let me go do the slide. Me, I go take brave hearts and go down the slide. Ignore the warning signs and go down the slide. So, set up myself now in another place, and I think the man, remember if they give you a little push, then give you a little warning and something and tell you, I think they give you a little push or then count you off and tell you when to push off yourself. Me push off now. Water heavy rush me down through the slide now, you know. Feel nice and something. But guess what happened now? The slide was shorter than the other ones. So before I know it, I land in the water. And from then time, I'm 6 feet tall, you know, and just today I'm 6 feet. I'm 6 feet from them the time. This was 2018 or 17. From then the time, I'm 6 feet tall. Me land out at the slide in the water. Me never have no balance. Me cover underwater. Me start panic. No. This happening in like some quick couple seconds. You know, me down there flatter. Me hear Jody scream out, cheer John. And the lifeguard jump in. Me mean this in a couple seconds and take me out. Now when the lifeguard lifts me out of the water and tell me to stand up, guys, me honestly to God not think the water reach me waist. Me not think me in a 3 feet of water. Me honestly not think the water when I stand up in the pool where the slide end, when me think me did a drown, was 3 feet high. I thought I was drowning in 3 feet of water. Alright, I'm not gonna call it 3 feet. In 4 feet of water. Because if I'm a waist, I know, little over 3 feet of water. 3 feet of water. Can you believe I thought I was drowning in 3 feet of water? 3 feet of water. So the other day, one of my co-workers went to a hotel, and she'd come back from the hotel telling the story in the office how she went on the slide at the office and nearly drowned. No, I did partake in the laughing session of how she managed to nearly drown at 3 feet of water. But I never shared with anybody that I also had that experience. No, hear what I am saying. I am going to say the reason why that happened was the shock I went in landing in the water too soon. I wasn't prepared. I wasn't prepared for the length of the slide, and that is why I panicked. And that's my story. And that's what I'm sticking to. Now, I want to tell me, have you ever had any experience like this where you think you were drowning in 3 feet of water? No, man, honestly to God, though, I can't swim. And even though I say in the Spanish bridge video, I jump off. Well, I didn't do, and that is why I didn't do by myself, because I can't swim. You see, I jump off the bridge with the man. I did that because 1, I was wearing a life jacket, and 2, I was jumping with the man. And me telling us I panic you what I the jump there, because when me landed at the water there, all running through my head was Shamara, relax and float, relax and float, relax and float. So imagine if I have to tell myself to relax and float in a life jacket. What one thing would have happened? In 3 feet of water, I'm gone underwater, and I never know how I up the water there from my head. Me can't tell myself relax and float. So now, what I've learned from that experience is, if the slide don't have a tube, I not go up on it. So guys, we have come to the end of the story time. Come here, girl. So we have come to the end of the story time, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have had any experience similar to this, that you thought you were drowning or near death. I mean, even not call it near the 3 feet of water. If you had any incidents where you thought you were drowning, like my co-worker or myself, share it in the comment section. And tell me what lesson you think I should have learned from this. I told you what I think my lesson is, not to go back on any more slides without a tube. You can let me know what you think I should have learned from this. So this is the end of today's video, guys. Please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Leave me the thumbs up, guys. It's the right thing to do. Hit that subscribe button below if it is still red, because it should be showing you a gray shade right now. So if it's still red, just hit the button. Hit the notification bell beside it as well, so anytime I post, you'll get a notification, right, guys? And also leave me a comment. Let us start down there in the comment section. So that's it for today's story time. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Welcome to Majesty. You are